The Little Dump Truck by Margery Cuyler, illustrated by Bob Kolar. I'm a little dump truck run by Hard Hat Pete, rattle, rattle, clatter, driving down the street. I'm a little dump truck hauling stones and rocks, bumping, bouncing, thumping, crossing city blocks. I'm a little dump truck turning at the light, slowing, braking, stopping at the building site. I'm a little dump truck parking on the road, dumping out my load. I'm a little dump truck watching workers build, forklifts lifting beams, big hole being filled. I'm a little dump truck waiting for debris, excavator scoops, drops dirt into me. I'm a little dump truck carting out the trash, on and off, warning red lights flash. I'm a little dump truck driving down Route 10, heading for the landfill to unload again. I'm a little dump truck backing to the right, tipping down my dumpster at the garbage site. I'm a little dump truck leaving through the gate, riding down the highway to another state. I'm a little dump truck stopping to get gas. Hard Hat Pete drinks coffee, other truckers pass.